Oke, bismillah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to my tutorial video again. Today, in this video, I got assignment, weekly assignment, is Cisco CCNA 200 until 301 Superlab 3 that I must config all of this topology until they work such as they work and following the tasks from this. The topics are VLAN and trunking, custom allowed trunk, port pass, STP, router on stick, switch virtual interface, SPI, DHCP server, DHCP excluded address, routing OSPF, OSPF redistributed for route, access list, not static, not dynamic, DNS server, web server, email server, and wireless. Okay, for the first task one, we basic configuration. Configure host name in all routers. Switch, same as display name. Configure enable secrets all router switch as a Cisco. And for the first, we must do configure basic configuration. We start from switch one. Okay, start from switch one here. I'm sorry. I so this this okay. Enable configure terminal host name switch one. Enable secret Cisco. Enable secret Cisco. Enter. Okay. Switch one it's already set. Now we go to the switch two. Where's the switch two? Yes, this is the switch two. I'm sorry, why my configuration like this? CLI member configure terminal host name switch two there, and then enable secret Cisco, and then we go back to the switch tree. We go to the switch tree. I'm sorry, what is happening? Configure terminal host switch tree enable secret Cisco. Okay, and then we go to the switch port. Enable configure terminal host switch port enable secret Cisco. And then we go to the switch 5, configure, you know, host switch 5, enable secret Cisco. Then we go to the switch 6, enable configure terminal, host switch 6, enable secret Cisco. And then after switch 6, we go to the router, core router 1. I think this is core router 1. Console configure terminal, host core router 1, enable secret Cisco. Then we go to the core 2, configure, sorry, core router 2, enable, I'm sorry, I got flu, enable secret Cisco. And then we go to the router 3, configure terminal, host name is core router 4, sorry, core router 3, and then enable secret Cisco. Secret Cisco. And after that, if we already set all the routers, router 3, this is router 3, and router 2, and router 1. Now, in the second part, configure VLAN trunking in switch 1 and core router 1, right here. Create a VLAN, set the name, VLAN as display, configure out the only permission X VLAN in the trunk interface, configure port paths in all interfaces that connect to the server, configure the router on stick on core router 2. This is core router 2. So we basically uh, configure this line up first. Okay. Okay, let's start it. Interface range fast Ethernet 0 2 until 4, because I don't know where is the, oh yeah, this is 02 password is 02 0/3 and 0/4. Okay, span port interface password 0 1 switch port mode trunk switch port trunk allow VLAN on switch port allow VLAN 1, and then we go to the router interface pass Ethernet 0 1 pass Ethernet 0 1 pass Ethernet 0 0, sorry, this is 0 0. Now shut down IP address 192.168 1.1 slash 24, and enter. One nine two 168.2 sorry 192.168.1.1 192.168.1.3 192.168.1. Let's stop. IP configuration, and then we just adding the server for online towards Cisco. No kind of don't forget to gateway and email server. We follow this up. Alhamdulillah. Sorry, I got flu. Okay, it's all set. So let's try to ping from here, from here, it's success, and from here, it's already successful. So okay, now we'll go to the we go to the part three. We already configured the part two. Now we configure about part three. This is the part three. Switch to access point and core router port. Okay, okay. Configure the access point. This is the access point. SID, Aguna course, Wi-Fi, authentication, password, 1, 2, 7, 8. Okay, enter. Cisco, configure terminal. Then you go to the VLAN to a name VLAN to name to okay, and then VLAN 3 name VLAN 3 VLAN 4 VLAN 4 name VLAN 4. Okay, VLAN it's already set. And then we go to the VLAN 2, pass Ethernet 02, interface, pass Ethernet 0/2, switch port model access, switch port access, VLAN 2, switch port access, VLAN. Okay, now we go to the interface range, pass Ethernet 3 and 4. Interface, interface range, pass Ethernet 03 until 4, switch port model access. This is VLAN. Switch port access VLAN 3. This is 6 and 5 6. Okay. Interface range pass Ethernet 0 5 6. Switch port model access. Switch port access VLAN 4. Okay. interface and fast Ethernet 0, 3, and 4 span port interface and fast Ethernet 0, 5, and 6 span port span 3 port bus. Now we go to the interface. Fast Ethernet 01 switch port, the trunk switch port, trunk low VLAN 2, 3, 4. Okay. We got setting. We already set the trunking, and then we go to the core Rutherford. Fast Ethernet 0, 0. No shutdown. Enter no shutdown. Okay, we go to the interface. Fast Ethernet 0, 0, 2. Encapsulation dot 1Q2. Encapsulation dot 1Q2 at the IP address 168 255/34, and then we go to the interface. First button is 0, 0, 3, encapsulation dot 1Q3 IP address 192.168.3.1 255.255.255.0. Interface fast Ethernet 0/0.4 encapsulation dot 1Q4 IP address 192.168.4.1 255.255.255.0/24. And then we go to the IP DHCP pool. IP DHCP, we exit first. IP DHCP pool VLAN 2. IP DHCP pool VLAN 2. Network 192.168.0.0 we go to the default address 192.168.2.1. Two dot one, enter, and DNS server 192.168.1.2. This is the DNS server. For the port VLAN and set DNS server 192.168.1.2. Okay. 1.2. Enter. Now we go to the IP, the DHCP 4.3. This is the network 3 default default 3 and the DNS server. Okay, the server is same. Set DNS server 192.168.1.2. Enter. Now we go to the IP DHCP4 IP DHCP4 VLAN 4 and then we go to the network 4 and we go to the default 4 and we go to the DNS server same and then we go to the excluded server I'm sorry, excluded address. I mean, we go to the check result first. Assessment items, core router 1, core router 2. Is there any? Oh, this is exclusive server. I'm sorry. Where's the exclusive server for router 4? Core router 4. Exclusive server is 192.168.2.1, 3.1, 4.1, 5.1, 6.1, and 7.1. Maybe we got to do 2, 3, 4 because the VLAN. This is the VLAN, our VLAN. And then go to the X menu, scroll R3, go to the router, and then we add the IP DHCP, IP DHCP excluded excluded address equals 6x2.1. And then we go to the 3 and we go to the 4. Okay, it's already set. Okay, it's already set. Then you can check it out first. Access point is null. We can configure attribute no. Sorry, maybe this is the phone, smartphone. I think desktop maybe configuration. Okay, it's already set. Smartphone to desktop IP configuration. Okay, it's already set again. Desktop IP configuration. Okay, sorry, maybe this X first because my laptop is lagging. Now the PC1 configuration, DHCP. Okay, it's already set. Now we go here, desktop configuration, DHCP. Okay, it's already set. Now here, desktop IP configuration. Okay, it's already got. And then we go here, desktop, configuration, DHCP. Okay, it's already successful. Now we can ping each other. I want to ping from here to here. Failed. Sorry. Successful. Okay. What about here to here? In progress. Failed. But it is successful. Okay. So we already configured this area and now we configure this area. Switch tree. Okay. Get ready to the switch tree. This area has VLAN 5, VLAN 6, VLAN 7. Okay, let's get started. Enable Cisco configure terminal. Then we go to the interface range pass Ethernet 0 2 until 7. 7, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is 7. Yes, this is 7. Okay, spanning port. Okay, it's already set. And then we go to the add the VLAN 5, a VLAN 5, VLAN 6, a VLAN 6, and VLAN 7, name VLAN, sorry, part 4, VLAN 7. Okay, it's already setting, it's already set. And now we go to the interface page, pass Ethernet 0 to Adrian 3. Switch port mode access, switch port access, VLAN 5, I think, 5, VLAN 5. Okay, it's correct. Now we go to the interface page, pass Ethernet 0, 5, 4 and 5, 4 until 5. Switch port mode access, switch port access, VLAN 6. Switch port access, VLAN 6. And then interface range pass Ethernet 0, 6 and 7. Switch port mode access, switch port access VLAN 7. Okay, now it's already set. Now it's already setting. We go to the router 3, core router 4, I mean. Okay, core router 4. We go back to here again. Interface pass Ethernet 0, 1. Because I'm sorry. I'm sorry, this is not yet express interface. Pass Ethernet 0, 1. We forget switch port mode trunk. Okay, switch port mode trunk. And then we go to the switch port trunk. Allow VLAN 5, 6, 7. Okay, okay, it's already set now in the switch tree. And now we go to the switchboard. In the pass connect no shutdown. No shutdown. Then we go to the interface fast Ethernet. Fast Ethernet 0.1.5.5 and encapsulation dot 5 IP address 192.165.1.255/24 and we go to the interface fast Ethernet 0.1.6 and encapsulation dot 6 and in the IP address 192.168.168.255.255.255. We go to the interface password 0.7 and we go to the IP address encapsulation first dot 7 and then we go to the IP address 7.1. Sorry. Now we already set the address. Now we adding the IP density pool for VLAN 5, VLAN 7, VLAN 7, VLAN 6, and VLAN 7. And we adding the excluded IP density server. Okay, start from the exit first. IP DHCP pool for VLAN 5 at 192.168.5 nodes. Zero. And then we go to the def default 192.168.5.1 default router. And then we go to the DNS server same 192.168.1.1. Okay, so reset. Now we go to the IP DHCP pool VLAN 6 network 6.6.0 and then we go to the default 6.1 and then we go to the DNS server same VLAN 7 network is 7 and then default 7 and then we go to the DNS server. Okay, it's already done. And now we adding the IP DHCP DHCP excluded address IP DHCP excluded address 168.5.1 and then we go to the 6.1 and then we go to the 7.1. Okay, okay, it's already set. Now we configure all of this PC one by one. Desktop and the configuration, DHCP, voila. Sorry, we just X and then desktop AP configuration, DHCP. Okay, it's already set. Now the VLAN 6 AP configuration, DHCP, DHCP. Okay, it's already set. Desktop, IP configuration, USB, desktop, IP configuration, USB. Okay, it's already set. Desktop, IP configuration, USB. Okay, it's already set. All the text is already set. Now we can ping each other. Make sure you can ping each other. 56 to 7. Okay, it's already successful. And 6 to the 7. It's double tap on and off. It's successful. Okay, it's successful. Now we go to this area. Part 4. It's already set. Now we go to the part 5. Configure VLAN and trunking switch port. 4, 5, 6, 7. 4, switch 4, switch 5, switch 6, and router 3. Okay, switch 4, 5, 6. Yeah? Yeah, be careful. Waalaikumsalam. Now we configure to this switch 4 first. That is VLAN 7, VLAN 8, VLAN 9, VLAN 10, VLAN 11, VLAN 12, and VLAN 13. Okay, enable Cisco configure terminal, and then we go to the we set the VLAN first. VLAN 8, name, VLAN 8, VLAN, VLAN 9, name, VLAN 9, VLAN 10, name, VLAN 10, VLAN 11, and VLAN 11, VLAN 12, name, VLAN 12, and VLAN 13, name, VLAN 13. Okay, now it's already set all the VLAN. Now we go to the interface. Range password 01 and 02, password 01 and 02, switch port, model, trunk. Sorry, interface, password 0, 3, switch port, model, trunk. Okay, now it's already trunk. Interface, range password 01 until 3, switch port, trunk, allow, VLAN 1, and 9, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay, and it's already 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. There. Now we go to the configure the switch 5 first. configure terminal. Okay, resetting first again. VLAN 11, VLAN 11, VLAN 12, main VLAN 12, and VLAN 13, main VLAN 13, main VLAN 13. You go to the interface, you go to the access group interface, and hospital 0 to other 7. We do the same thing again. Interface, range, hospital 0 to 7. Starting report pass. Interface, range, hospital 0 to until 3. 2 until 3. Switch port modem access, switch port access, VLAN. Where's 2 and 3? Is this 2 and 3? This is 3 and this is 2 and 3. Okay. VLAN, so interface range plus Ethernet 0, 4, 5. This is 4, 5, I think. VLAN 11. Okay. Switch port modem access, switch port access, VLAN 11. And now we go to the interface range plus Ethernet 0, 6 and 7, 4, 5, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, switch port, model access, switch port access, VLAN 30, and this is 6, 7, I think. Oh yeah, this is 6 and this is 7. And then we go to the first plus Ethernet, okay, I think 0, 1, switch port, modular, track, and then the first plus Ethernet 0, pick is switch port, model, trunk, and then it's already set interface plus Ethernet 0 slash 1, switch trunk, allow VLAN 11, 12, 30. Now we got it, the interface password is 0x. switch port trunk allow VLAN 11, 12, 13. Okay, do show interface trunk. Okay, on, it's mode on. Then we go to the switch 6. So configure terminal. And we go to the VLAN tag name VLAN then egg 9, 10, 11. And VLAN 11, I think. Yes, this is the VLAN. There, there is a VLAN 11. Name VLAN 11. And now we go to the exit interface range password and 0, 4 until 5. Where is 4 and 5? This is VLAN 4 and 5. Okay, this is the VLAN egg. Switch port mode access. Switch port access. VLAN egg interface range password and 0, 6, 6, 7, 6, 7. Switch port mode access. Switch port access. VLAN. Where is 4 and 6? This is the VLAN 9. No. No. Where's the VLAN 6, 7? So this is 4 and 5. 2, 3. What can I do? Oh, 6, 6, 7. This is 8. This is 6. This is 7. This is 7. Okay. So it's kind of VLAN time. Just what I guess VLAN 10. Interface range. Password and 0, 8 until 9. Switch port mode access. Switch port access. VLAN 9. 9. And interface range password and 0, 2 until 3. Switch port mode access. Switch port access. VLAN 11. Switch port VLAN 11. And now we go to interface range password 0, 2 until 9. Span port. Okay, interface range password 0, 1 and password 0, 10. Switch port mode trunk. Switch port trunk allow VLAN 8, 9, 10, 11. 8, 9, 10, 11. Enter. 11. 8, 9, 10, 11. 8, 9, 10, 11. 8, 9, 10, 11. 8, 9, 10, 11. 8, 9, 10, 11. 8, 9, 10, 11. 8, 9, 10, 11. 8, 9, 10, 11. 8, 9, 10, 11. 8, 9, 10, 11. 8, 9, 10, 11. 8, 9, 10, 11. 8, 9, 10, 11. 8, 9, 10, 11. 8, 9, 10, 11. 8, 9, 10, 11. 8, 9, 10, 11. 8, 9, 10, 11. 8, 9, 10, 11. 8, 9, 10, 11. 8, 9, 10, 11. 8, 9, 10, 11. 8, 9, 10, 11. 8, 9, 10, 11. 8, 9, 10, 11. 8, 9, 10, 11. 8, 9, 10, 11. 8, 9, 10, 11. 8, 9, 10, 11. 8, 9, 10, 11. 8, Okay, next step we go to the core router tree. Enable Cisco configure terminal, and we go to the interface fast Ethernet. This is, I think, 00. Yeah, fast Ethernet 00. No, sure. Interface fast Ethernet 0.0.8. This is the part we must configure all the VLAN. Start with egg encapsulation dot egg AP address 192.168.1.255.255.0. VLAN egg 198.egg1. Okay, and now we go to the interface fastnet 009, and then we go to the encapsulation dot 9, and then we go to the IP address 9. We go to the interface fastnet 0010, and then we go to the encapsulation dot 10, and then we go to the IP address is 10, and we go to the interface fastnet 001, and then we go to the encapsulation dot 1Q11. Go to the IP address 11.1, interface host ethernet 0012, and we go to the encapsulation dot 12, and then we go to the IP address. We do the same thing again and again. Interface 30, and then encapsulation dot 30, and then IP address is 31. Okay, we already set the interface from egg, and don't forget to do the encapsulation dot 1Q 9, 8, 10, 11, 12, 30, 11, 12, and 30. Now the best part, we configure the IP DHCP full VLAN egg. DHCP full VLAN egg. Net 192.168 f.0.255. This is the networking, and the default 192.168.f.1. And then we go to the DNS server 681.2. This DNS server still, it is still same 192.168.1. Okay. Now for short the time, IP the people in a 9, and then we go to the network. We must keep on track. Don't stay loose. DNS server default 9, and then we go to the net DNS server, and then we go to the IP DHCP pool VN 10, and then the network 10, and then the default, and then DNS server same DHCP pool VLAN 11, and then networking, and then the default DNS server, same. DHCP pool VLAN 12. Networking 12. Don't forget the default router and DNS server. And we go to the IPDCP pool VLAN 30. And then we go to the networking again. Default router and DNS server is the same thing. Okay, we already configure all of these tests and we adding the IP DHCP excluded address, each one from VLAN 8, VLAN 9, 10, VLAN 11, VLAN 12, VLAN 30. We exit first. Now IP DHCP X excluded address 192.192.168.8.1. Am I correct? IP DHCP exclude address. And now we go to the 9, we go to the 10, we go to the 11, we go to the 12, we go to the 30. Okay, 9, 11, 12, 30. 9, 10, 11, 12, and 30. Now we can configure this PC. Make sure the PC is connected to each other. Okay, let's start from this area. Desktop AP configuration, SCP. Okay, it's already connect. Desktop AP configuration, DHCP. Okay, VLAN 12, AP configuration, DHCP. It's connect. Now, desktop IP configuration, DHCP. Okay, it's already connect. I'm sorry, I already connect this PC. Okay, it's already connect. Now, VLAN 11 configuration, uh, DHCP. Okay, and here, okay, it's got already got. And here, it's got AP configuration, DHCP. Okay, very good, very good. AP configuration, DHCP. Okay, good, 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 good. Go to the VLAN 8 first. Stop AP configuration, DHCP. Okay, it's good. Here, AP configuration, DHCP. Okay, good. Now VLAN 9, desktop configuration, DHCP. Okay, good, 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 good. Desktop IP configuration, DHCP. Okay, good. And then 10, desktop IP configuration, DHCP. Okay, 10, desktop IP configuration, DHCP. Okay, 10, okay. Now we want to simple short VLAN routine to the VLAN egg. Okay, successful. Then we go to the part 6. Configure rapid PSVT. I think this switch for this 4, 5, 6, 4, 5, 6. Okay, we start from 4. Cisco configure terminal. Spanning 3 mode rapid rapid PSVT. Rapid spanning. Spanning mode. Okay, okay, okay. Invite marker. Spanning 3 mode rapid PSVT. Where I can find configure switchboard to become root bridge in VLAN. Spanning 3. Ah, I'm sorry. PFCT. PFCT. Enter. And we can copy this comment. Copy. We go to the switch 5. Cisco. Okay, rapid PFCT. And then we go to the part 7. Part 7 configure IP address of router of display. Now and go to the router 1. Core router 1. Enable Cisco configure terminal. Configure terminal. Now we go to the interface serial. Where's the serial? 0, 0. So serial 10 is like this, and 01 right here. Okay. Serial 10, sorry, not 01, but 1. Serial 10. No shutdown. Interface serial 1. slash one no shutdown, and then interface plus ethernet one slash zero. Sorry, password slash zero no shut password zero no shutdown, and then we go to the interface serial 101 slash zero again. Go to the IP address. Sorry, wait a minute. I'm still confused about serial here. So 111 is got two, and then serial 0 slash 2. Okay, serial 01 slash 0 is configure this area 10 10 10 10 dot 9 10 10 10 dot 9 255 255 255 252. And then this is where's the serial. Okay, serial 1 and 1 here, serial 1 0 here. Okay, still confused about this thing, but I can do it. And then we go to the 101. The IP address is 10.10.10.1 slash 30. Enter. And then we go to the core router 2. Cisco configure terminal. Configure terminal. And then we go to the interface. Serial A range. Eh, it can be range, okay. Serial 1/1. No shut interface. Serial 1/0. No shut. Then go to the config. Interface serial 1/0. IP address 10.10.10.2 255 This is serial 1.2. This is the IP. Enter. This is interface serial 11. Okay. Serial 11. Okay, and serial 12 up here. Okay, and then we go to the interface serial 1/1. IP address 10.10.10.5 255 So we move again here, and then we go to the configurator tree. Interface as serial. Sorry, I must go to the right list again. Serial 1/1. 1/1. No shut. And interface serial 1/0. No interface such 1/0. No shut. Okay. And go to the interface serial 1/1 first, and then go to the IP address 10 dot replace serial. This is 1 10 255 252 enter, and then go to the interface serial 1/0 and go to the IP address 10.10.10.14 enter, and we move it again. Cisco configure now. The interface serial. Sorry, and we go back here to make it closer. 1/0 no shutdown. And interface serial 1/1 no shutdown 2. And we go to the interface 01 first. Interface serial 1 slash interface serial 1 slash 0 IP address is 10 10 10 is here 6 255 255 255 252. And then we go to the slash 1. The IP address is 13. Okay, let's move this up. Then we go to the part 8. Configure OSPF in all of routers. Okay, we can configure routers. Start with go back to here again. Start with router 1. Check first. Router OSPF 1 ID 1. Okay, router OSPF 1 network is 10 10 10. First is take and 0. Will cut 3 area 0 10 because this is the part of this one and this area 0, and before that area egg 0003 area. Okay, and then we go to the router hostpair router 2 router OSPF 2 1 sorry router OSPF 1 net networking is 10 10 10 0. And the wheel card 30003 area 0 area 0. Then we go to the network. This 4 because it's before 5 it's 4, and then we go to the VLAN 168 192 192 192 168. Okay, this is 255. That's prefix 6 255. Okay, and then enter. Then we go to the router tree. Router OSPF 1 networking first 10 dot 4 0 0 0 3 area 0. I'm sorry, router tree is here, yeah. So we must configure is area 0 egg because before here, and then click OK. Router PF1. Then we go to the trial log 003. Okay, enter. And then we go to the network. This is 25255. And then this one is 0. This one egg. This one 168. This one 192. We make sure this is egg, VLAN egg from VLAN egg, VLAN 9, 192, 168, 168, egg, prefix 24, wildcard 24, area 0. And then we go to the here, and then here, and here, 11, and we go to the 12, we go to the 13. I'm sorry. This is router 4. Shit. Astaghfirullahaladzim. Why I configure this thing in router 4? Wow. Okay, should I show this thing again? 192 from start beginning router SPF1. It's setting 10 so it's 4. Sorry, no, not like this. No. Okay, 5 6. Okay, it's already done. And then 4, it's 12. And then we configure this area from 5, I think, 3, 2, 3, 5, 2, and then 3, and then 4, and then 5, and then 6, and then 7. Okay, I'm sorry. This is router 4 and this router 5 and router 3. It was router SPF1, and then we go to the router SPF1. We start from head 4, 10, 10, 10. Router 3, so it's kinda egg. Plus 3, area 0, egg, and 12. And now we configure 255. We start from enter. We start from here, and 1 6, and this is egg from VLAN egg. This is 6 egg, and this is 9. So okay, start my egg 9, 10, 11, 12, and 13. And then we go to the here, do show IP root. Okay, okay, 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Where's the egg 9, 10? Where's the egg 9, 10, 11, 13? Via 10, 10, 10. Okay. And part 9, we check this out first. Okay, router 4 is already set. Even the OSPF. Okay, okay, okay. And we go to the X again. We start from and we configure it. Then N9 DNS server. Configure DNS server in DNS server. Record course Aguna course, record mail Aguna course, okay. I record a Google.com, configure web server, welcome to the Aguna server, okay, desktop web server first, services, we go to the DNS server, and I can see the file here. Record Aguna course.com to 192.168.3. Okay, save. Sorry, agunacourse.com, record, and then we go to the CNAME, www.agunacourse.com to Aguna agunacourse.com agunacourse.com, CNAME, and then add, and we go to the record again, mail.agunacourse.com to the 192.168.1.4, and then add, and then CNAME again, a record, and the CNAME, a record, mail, and then a record again, add, www.google.com, mostly google.com, add, and then we go to the HTTP, scroll down, edit, index, welcome to come to Aguna course, come to the agunacourse.com, scroll down, save, yes, and then we go to the web server, go to the web browser, agunacourse.com. I don't know where what is wrong with this. Here, no, go back. We go to the index. Oh, right here. This HTTP edit save. Yes, go. Okay, still Cisco packet tracer. Welcome to Cisco packet tracer. Hmm, I think it's here. Wait a minute. We try to command prompt. It should be working here. I'm gonna cause record to 191.3. Okay, we go to the part 10. Smartphone. Okay, I think this is smartphone web browser. I'm gonna course go. Why it's still Cisco Pocket Tracer? We must troubleshoot here. Okay, we continue to the part 10. Configure email server. I think web server we must configure to NV services, DNS, Go to the all the segment. Okay, start from a record again. Oh, no, Angguna course.com. Course.com to the 1.6.1.3 and adding and the cname we got to www.course.com to the Aguna course.com. Okay, and then we go to the record again. Mail dot Aguna course.com to the host name 6.4 and then we add in a record google.com slash adding MSC name www.google.com and then we go to the HTTP, go to the index, edit, Aguna course.com. Welcome to Aguna course.com. And then we got the set here, yes, okay, and then desktop, we want to open it, in Aguna course.com. Why? Why it cannot found? I see. Maybe the problem is it's not a configuration. We have a server here. 192.168.1.2. The problem in here. 192.168.1.2. And here configuration 192.168.1.2. Okay, it's already done to me. Okay, I'm gonna course.com. Okay, it's already set. Now we can open this adunacourse.com web browser. Adunacourse.com. Okay. Now it's already set. Then we configure part 10. In part 10, configure email. And then we configure the email server here, services, go to the email, sorry, everything, email, it's on, domain name, domain name is agunacourse.com. User and name user 1, user 1, password 1, 2, 3, set, and then user 2, 1, 2, 3. Oh, sorry. First user 1, password is 1, 2, 3, add, and then user 2, password 1, 2, 3, add. And then we configure second email client PC1 to user 1 and PC2 user 2. Okay. First the PC1 right here. Go to the desktop, go to configure email. Where's the configure email? Email, user permission, user 1, it's big. So run at adunacourse.com. Incoming mail server, mail.agunacourse.com, mail.agunacourse.com, save, and then PC2, desktop, email, your name, user 2, user 2 at agunacourse.com, mail.agunacourse course.com, mail.akurat course.com, username in username user 123, save. And now we go to PC1 again. PC1. Configure mail. Save. Then compose. So user to Antonio course.com. Subject good morning, and then send. Okay, it's already got. And then part 11, complete the public IP address on core router 1. Okay, we go back to the core router 1. And then we go to the router 1, fast Ethernet 01. Sorry, fast Ethernet 00. Where's fast Ethernet 01? Here. Sorry, fast Ethernet. No shutdown. Dropping 111. Success rate is 80%. And then IP root, IP root, IP root, 1234, 1234. 111, and then do thing X, X, X. Okay, then access this, access this one, permit any IP, not insert, insert source, IP, not insert source, this source is one interface, first Ethernet 00, overload, IP, not out, IP, not inside X, router F1, router SP F1, default, default information originate. Then we go to the net static, IP, not inside, not inside source, source static, source static, 192.168, 168, 1.3, 111, oh, 3, 103, 111, 3, enter, and then we go to the core router tool, configure terminal, access list, 102 D9, 102 D9 IP address, IP D9 IP 192.168 dot 20 0 55 255, then host 192.168.1.3 forward access list one permit and 102 permit IP permit IP any interface customer 0 customer 00 access group IP access group 112 out 102 out. Okay, maybe we already set the 90% and then we can check the result. What is assessment? Not here. Pass press SSID network. I don't know how to IP address serial on so was where is the core router one? IP address is wrong and core router 2 102 is incorrect. Access list component list is IP address. Okay, we configure the IP address serial. Which is why I cannot touch this. I think my computer is not responding. Oops. Here. I cannot do this. So the chip is low. Serial 1 and serial 1 its IP address is wrong. Maybe I will configure this up until 100% and maybe okay as already do the thing I just got 92%, but maybe I will configure up this thing again. I will inform you and edit this video again until I configure out this result such as like STP priority. I think I forget to configure it, but most of all I don't know how to add this because we already as the villain 11 and this is the STP priority. I still confused about it, but maybe in in the next week I will repair this thing and just waiting until I make the progress. Okay, maybe that's all for me. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'm sorry I cannot full yet this Ccna until 100, but I will configure this up. Okay, see you guys in the next tutorial.